Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Friday. It's around 2:45 right now, and I thought I would start off the vlog here and take you guys through my weekend this weekend. I have zero plans and I am so excited for it. I've been really enjoying watching just cozy home vlogs, and I thought it'd be something fun and different to do. I always feel like I need to be going in my videos, productive day in my life, running errands, but it's also a nice switch up, and there's just something just very relaxing in my opinion of just watching someone just enjoy themselves in the comfort of their own home. That is the plan for this weekend. We're probably not gonna do too much outside of the apartment, but I do wanna do some decluttering and organizing before the first of the month. But other than that, we're just gonna relax, do some reading, watch some scary movies. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and spending a cozy weekend at home with me. I think it's gonna be fun. I'm excited. If you are new here, make sure to like this video and subscribe down below. It really does help out my channel. And for now, I'm gonna go finish out the workday. We have a vet appointment at 4 o'clock for Miss Zenas. She is terrified of the vet, and she's not, she's such a friendly dog that she's not very friendly to the vet. So last time they actually gave us some sedatives, some trazodone to give her a few hours before. So she just took that, so fingers crossed she'll be good this time. But that's the plan for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna finish work. We're gonna take her to the vet and then probably just make some dinner, probably do my nails and watch a scary movie tonight. And then we'll do a bunch of decluttering and everything tomorrow. But welcome to the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get started. I'm downstairs in my office, and before I get started back on work for the day, I wanted to show you guys my new planner. I love it so much. It's so cute. It says gentle productivity on the front. I get a lot of questions about my previous planner that I have been using for the past probably about a year and a half now. This is the Happy Planner from Target. I have been using this probably since the beginning of 2023, but I'm excited to have a fresh planner for a fresh month. But this was actually sent to me. This is not sponsored at all, but I wanted to show you guys because this is Zoe Pritchard's planner that she just came out with the line, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. She did an amazing job on it, and I've been using it probably for the past week or so, and I love the layout of it. So it comes with 6 monthly reset pages. So you have a little space here for calendar and dates. You have important events, monthly must-dos, and then you have a monthly reset page. But my favorite part is the daily layout. So let me go to a blank page for you guys. You have a little time schedule here. So every page is a new day, and it's undated, which is perfect. You guys know I love undated planners because if you miss a day, if you miss a week, or even if you come back to this in a month, you're not wasting any paper. You can just pick up exactly where you left off. But you have a little schedule. Today I'm grateful for, daily affirmation, top 3 priorities, and your to-do list down here. But I will have it linked down below. If you guys are in the market for a new planner, definitely make sure to go check it out. Zoe is so sweet. She's definitely one of my friends that I've made through YouTube on social media. And I just love supporting other women in businesses and small businesses, especially since having press reset. And I love it. It's so good. To the vet, huh? Gonna go bye-bye and get your shot so you can go back to the dog park? Look at those nails. You need your nails done, girl. You need those nails trimmed. Good morning, guys. It is now Saturday morning. I didn't really film too much last night because we just had a very relaxing night and I was so tired. I finished work. Zena went to her vet appointment, which she did really well. We're making progress. She did not try to bite the vet this time. And after that, we just took the girls for a little evening walk. We got some dinner, and then we watched The Autopsy of Jane Doe. If you like scary movies, that one's actually pretty good. It's on Prime. And then I just did some reading before bed, but it is now around 10 o'clock. I've been up for a few hours, made myself some coffee, and I think I'm gonna spend the morning reading because I only have 30 minutes left in this book. That is another reason why I love using a Kindle, because it actually tells you the amount of minutes based on your reading speed that you have left in a book. So it shouldn't take me too long, and I actually need to film my monthly reset part 1 today, so the goal setting, book wrap up, and the monthly plan with me. So I want to get this done so I can include it in that video. That's pretty much the only work that I have to do today. I completely forgot that I had that video due tomorrow. For some reason I was thinking that Monday was June 30th, but it's actually tomorrow. I'm doing a little sponsored segment in there, so it needs to be up tomorrow. So we're gonna have to spend like 2 hours today getting myself together and filming that, but it'll be nice to have that done and up on the 30th versus July 1st. So yeah, that's the plan for the first half of today. Then later tonight, I want to do my nails. And then tomorrow we'll do like a full Sunday reset, organizing, decluttering, all of the fun Sunday activities. We'll leave that for tomorrow. Right now, I'm just going to drink my coffee and just have a slow Saturday morning. It's raining out, a storm is coming, so I'm just excited to sit on the couch, drink my coffee, read my book, and get this finished. And then we will continue on with our day from there. I just finished filming my monthly reset. That honestly took me way longer than I was expecting. It's already 4 o'clock. Sometimes I can like breeze through these and get them done in like 30 minutes, and other times it takes me like 2 hours because I can't speak. For this one I had a small sponsored segment and I just kept getting tongue-tied on my words and I had to repeat myself like 5 or 6 times. But at least this is filmed, it's done. It feels good to at least have that done for the day, and then I can just edit it tonight and probably mostly tomorrow morning and have this up tomorrow for you guys. I'm excited about the goals that I set. I'm excited for July, so it feels good to at least have this filmed and then also to have done my reset for the new month. We just got a package in the mail and look what came. It is a life jacket for Zena. It's by the brand Outward Hound. Next weekend, which would be my birthday weekend, like the 7th, we are going boating, which we're really excited for. My parents have a boat. Maya has gone boating several times. She's gone swimming, but Zena has never gone swimming. So this will be not only her first time on a boat, but her first time in the water. And it could go either way. She could be really scared or she could absolutely love it. It really depends. She's super scared about certain things, but then other things she loves, so it's hard to tell, but we're really excited. But because we are going on the boat and they're going to be swimming in deeper water, we did get her own life jacket. It looks so cute. It has little handles on the top, so that way we can just put her in the water and pick her back up. Maya already has one. She has a little Finding Nemo one, and now Zena has her very first little life jacket. Look, this is for you. It's your life jacket. So, oh, it's okay. Here, it's like a coat, Zena.
Good girl.
Yeah, good job. If she's this scared of a life jacket, she's gonna be terrified swimming on the boat. You ready?
Good girl, let me see. Girl.
Oh,
Right
wow. Wow, you look so pretty. You wanna show everyone your new life jacket?
Come on, yes. Come on, girl.
Come on.
Good girl. Come here, you want a treat?
Good job.
Catch. Good. Catch. Yes.
We have to do one more thing before she takes off the life jacket.
What?
We have to do the pickup test.
You ready, Zena?
She needs to get used to it. Oh.
Good
Yeah,
girl.
we can pick you up. Good job.
Good girl. Hey, come on. Good girl. Come here.
I'm in the car waiting for Devin. We decided to come on a little spontaneous Saturday pizza run. We've both been craving pizza and we're both really hungry, but we have chicken set out for tonight that needs to be cooked. So we decided to come to Sbarro, since it's only like 5 minutes away from us, and get a slice of pizza each to hold us over in the meantime. It's been a while since I've had pizza and it sounds so good right now. Also, while I was filming and everything, he went and got my car detailed and it feels so clean in here. It's literally like a new car. Like, there's no dog hair, especially since having Zena. The car feels so dirty because of her blonde hair. Thank you. Let's see. Oh yeah, that looks really good.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work.
We decided to bake some cookies. These are the Sweet Lawrence cookies. They're supposed to be a little bit of a cleaner cookie. You guys know if you watch my videos, we love the Miss Jones Monster cookies. They are delicious. They only have 4 grams of sugar, pretty clean ingredients, but they were sold out. So we decided to try these. We got the fudge brownie ones, and then we also got like the regular chocolate chip. So I thought we could do a taste test together since we're having a little movie intermission. We're watching As Above, So Below. We actually watched it, I think when it came out like 10 years ago, but we're deciding to rewatch it because I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, it was a pretty scary movie, and so far it's pretty good. But I'm gonna try the brownie one first. It's like fudge brownie. Overall, it's pretty good. I wish it wasn't as bitter, but it's probably because the chocolate is probably cacao since it's supposed to be a cleaner cookie. But overall, not too bad. I'd probably give it that one an 8 out of 10. Now we're gonna try the chocolate chip. Chocolate chip, definitely my favorite, but both of them are really good. Definitely recommend checking out Sweet Lawrence cookies if you're looking for a good, like cleaner, definitely not healthy, but a cleaner, sweet alternative. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. I'm just drinking my coffee and trying to plan out where these shelves are gonna go. I'm thinking on this wall right here, but the weather today is beautiful. So I think I'm gonna go to the pool in a few hours with my mom and just spend some time with her. I actually haven't gone to the pool all season, so I'm excited for that, but I do have a lot of things around here that I wanna get done, especially going into the new month. The second half of 2024, I kind of just wanna do a mini reset of my space. I always do like a goal and a budget reset, but I also wanna do a little organization and decluttering for the second half of the year. So first thing I wanna start off with is underneath our master bathroom sink. It gets pretty unorganized because I keep all of my makeup, hair care, skincare under here. So since I use all of that pretty frequently, it gets pretty messy. So I want to get that decluttered and organized, and then also do our linen closet where we keep our extra sheets, like medicine, extra soap, shampoo, all of that. That also is an area that tends to get pretty messy. Let me show you guys the current situation. I think I'm gonna put the shelves here. I have 2 of them, which I don't really have too much to put on them, but I feel like 2 would look better than 1. I feel like it just kind of makes more sense. So I think I'm gonna hang those here. This is underneath the master bath. It's not terrible, but a lot of things just tend to get like thrown in here as I use them. So I want to get this nice and organized and move some of the things that I use every day up onto the shelves after I hang them. And then this is the linen closet that I also want to do. You can see it just gets pretty messy. Everything in here just needs like taken out and re-put in here. I just have like extra tanning supplies, toothbrushes, contacts. So just want to get this organized too, because this is a space that definitely drives me crazy. So we're going to work on that after. My camera ended up dying, but I put everything on the shelves. They look so good. I think this is my first time ever that I've actually hung 2 shelves level and they're in perfect line with each other. I'm actually very proud of myself. I'm not good at hanging things, but I wanted to try to do it on my own. and I love the way they look. I also feel like it just makes it a little homier in here. It just adds a little coziness. So it'll also be really convenient too. Like when I'm getting ready, I can just like grab my everyday products from there. So I just ended up putting my sunscreens, deodorant, some eye cream, face masks, more sunscreen. I use snail mucin every day, and then my moisturizer and a little mini face wash. And then I also ordered a little nightlight from Amazon to put there. That's gonna be like a warm amber light, and I feel like that'll just really boost the ambiance in here. And it'll just make this bathroom a little cozier. I feel like it was just looking a little cold just with like the white and then the green here. So I feel like just adding a little color, a little skincare, and then a warm amber light will really make a big difference in here. And then while I was also waiting for my camera to charge, I ended up organizing underneath our sink. I cleaned up all like the random hair ties back there, wiped everything down just because a lot of my hair care and skincare is in here. So it kind of gets, you know, like that greasy product on the outside of the bottle. So everything is nice and clean, and it feels so much better. I just can't get over it. It looks so much better in here. It's so nice and clean. We can move on to the linen closet, which I started pulling everything out of it, so it's a mess in here. And I ended up just pulling everything, like all of the bins out, and then everything out of the bins. I figured that'd be the best way, just to have a fresh start, just start over, declutter everything, and then as I like want to keep something, I'll just put it in here. So we're gonna go through, declutter all of this, organize it back in here, and then put these back in the linen closet. Closet is, I think, as good as it's gonna get. So at the top we have all of our folded sheets in there, and then the dog supplies, so dog shampoo, the like gloves that we use when we wash the girls. This entire shelf is for folded towels, but our towels are actually in the dryer right now. So normally this shelf looks a lot nicer with white folded towels. And then I decided to do a basket just dedicated to nail supplies since I want to start doing my nails at home. So I have my little LED light in here, and then just like my nail trimmers file, a little buffer thing that I just got recently, and then some of my nail polish back there. But this is not for nails. If you guys do not have one of these, I will link it down below. It's so nice. I just got it recently. It's actually a depiller. So if you have any clothes, sheets, whatever that have pills on them, you just turn it on, run it over the fabric, and it literally takes them all off. I didn't know where to put this. I just have that there. This thing, you guys, I don't know. I'm debating on getting rid of it. I don't use it a lot, and I hate the way that it looks in here, but it's a little LED face mask. And then we organized all of these. So this is all of our medicine, probably hard to see because of the lighting, but all of our medicine and basically medical supplies. I went through and decluttered throughout everything that was maybe expired or close to expiring. And then we just have some extra things in here, like extra deodorant, toothpaste, contacts, all of that. Okay, I'm running really late. My camera's about to die, so I'm trying to hurry, but I just got ready for the pool. I'm about to leave now. I'm just wearing this black bandeau suit from Target with some high-waisted black bottoms. I just put some sunscreen on my face and my body. Look how nice this is, and I can just grab it right here, but I use the Cetaphil Sun SPF 50 sunscreen for my face. I got this actually when we were gonna go to Cancun, and I really like it. It sits really nicely under makeup. For my body sunscreen, I'm using this one from Thrive that I just got off Amazon. It's SPF 50 and it's also a mineral sunscreen. I'm definitely a sunscreen girl. If I go outside, I have to have sunscreen on, even if I'm like going to go lay out by the pool. I've always been like that. I just always want to make sure I'm protecting my skin. So I just put some of that on. And I just need to pack up my Kindle, and we're gonna go have a nice few relaxing hours by the pool reading, which I'm really excited for. I haven't actually read my Kindle outside yet, and I've heard it's really nice to read by the pool because it doesn't have that glare or reflection. I think I'm gonna start Part of Your World by Abby Jimenez because I've been wanting to read that, and I just finished The Housemaid is Watching. So yeah, I think I'm gonna start that, but we're gonna go have a nice few relaxing hours, reading, getting some sun, and just enjoying the beautiful day outside.